So when you're looking to take that next step towards home ownership, there's 4 things that you should know about your credit score that are really important. Number 1, you have to know that your credit score is really just a snapshot at any particular point in time of what your credit is. So we see credit change on a day-to-day basis based on, maybe we pull it one day and pull it a couple of weeks later. So certain things may change your credit score, including if you've had any recent inquiries or your balances have increased recently, opened any new cards recently, if you had any new lates or anything like that. So always know when you're getting a mortgage or you're looking for that process that your credit score is a good indication, but it is only a snapshot at that particular point in time. Number 2, a very important thing to realize is that your mortgage credit score is not the same as your CreditKarma credit score or another consumer credit report that you may pull. In fact, even if you just went out and bought a new car and they told you your credit score for buying a car is not the same that we will pull when we pull your mortgage credit score. The reason why is it's based on a totally different algorithm, which is more focused towards home ownership and the ability to pay a monthly mortgage. So it's always important when you're looking to get a mortgage that you actually know what your true mortgage credit score is, and that's where we can certainly help. The third thing that you want to know when you're looking to take that next step towards home ownership and you're evaluating your credit is that actually in certain cases, a 1 or 2 point difference in your credit score may actually impact your interest rate by up to 0.25%. And on a $200,000 loan, that may be $7,500 over the life of the loan. So it's really important to work with somebody that can help you with your credit. And that brings me up to the 4th and final important part that you should know about your credit when looking to take that next step towards home ownership. And that is that you should be working with a professional like us that can evaluate your credit, work with you on identifying some strategies to help you improve your credit, and therefore help you afford the house of your dreams. So some things that we can do, we can use a model to look at maybe paying down some credit, also, which accounts to pay down, how much to pay them down, and what effect that might have on improving your credit score. Other things may be like looking for errors or mistakes in your credit report, which we see from time to time. So that's why it's important to work with a professional that can work with you on your credit score to help put you in that best position when you're looking to take that next step towards home ownership. So if you're looking to take that step, get with us, and we were looking forward to helping with you.